Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl, Just Megan, and I'm here with a very small Aldi haul. We're having taco salad for dinner, so I had to pick up some stuff for that, so I just wanted to show you that real quick. And then a couple other filler items, so let's jump right into it. First thing I got was the 10 count of the flour tortillas. We got 2 pounds of the ground beef, 2 packs of the taco seasoning, 2 tomatoes. I also picked up for my breakfast the blueberry muffins. I haven't tried the Aldi brand, but it looks just like the Meyer brand, and I think it'll be just as fine. We got some onions. I needed some quart storage baggies. I got some bagels and some Italian white bread, some lettuce. I picked up some vanilla light yogurt and some granola. This is also for like a snack or a breakfast, lunch type deal. Some taco sauce, Ortega, my favorite, in the mild. 2 boxes of the shells and cheese. We got a bag of the sour cream and cheddar potato chips, Clancy. A bag of Doritos. 2 boxes of the pasta entrees, the Parmesan cheese. These are so good. I got a ranch salad dressing mix and the kosher dill pickles. If you don't know what I'm doing with these, stay tuned for a future video. We got some con queso cheese. This is my favorite stuff. Some sharp cheddar. Some of the Tuscan Garden Ranch. This is the big bottle yet again. I'm so happy to see this. Some cream cheese for the bagel. And some sour cream. So that is everything that I got in this little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I've been kind of MIA, but stay tuned. There's a video coming on that. Love you guys. Don't forget to keep your stripes. And until the next one, bye.